Right now, at this exact second, your mind is a prison. Thousands of thoughts are racing inside your head, fighting each other, destroying your peace. Your past mistakes haunting you like ghosts. Your future fears paralyzing you completely. And this present moment, you are not even here. But what if I told you there is one simple lesson that can destroy your anxiety, shatter your overthinking, and give you eternal peace? A 24-year-old man discovered it, and it changed his entire life. In the next 8 minutes, you are going to learn exactly what he learned. This is not just another motivation video. This is a real story, a life-changing lesson, an ancient secret that most people never get to hear. And if you are struggling with anxiety, with racing thoughts, with feeling trapped inside your own mind, please watch till the very end, because what you are about to hear will change how you see your life. I want you to imagine something with me. Picture a small village nestled deep in the lap of green mountains, lush valleys, clean air, the gentle sound of a river flowing somewhere in the distance. It is the kind of place where peace should come naturally. But in that same village, there lived a young man named Alex. He was only 24 years old. On the surface, everything looked fine. But inside his mind, there was a constant storm. Every single morning, Alex would wake up with a heavy, crushing feeling in his chest because his mind was already racing. What if I fail today? Why did I say that stupid thing yesterday? Is everyone judging me right now? What if something bad happens? And every night he could not sleep. He would lie in his bed for hours, his mind spinning, spiraling, never stopping. He wanted to smile. He wanted to laugh. He wanted to feel alive. But somewhere along the way, he had forgotten how. It felt like his own mind had betrayed him, like peace was a luxury meant for other people, not for him. Does this sound familiar to you? Then keep watching, because what happens next is going to change everything.
At nothing. Existing, suffering. That is when an old man approached him. White beard, kind, gentle eyes. The kind of person who seems to carry a quiet wisdom that the rest of the world has never found. "You look troubled, young man," the old man said softly. And for some reason, Alex could not hold it in anymore. "I am struggling, grandfather. My mind never stops. I cannot sleep. I cannot focus. Nothing brings me peace anymore." The old man listened and smiled, not a pity smile, a knowing smile. "Visit the wise man beyond the mountains," he said. "Whoever visits him never returns empty-handed." For the first time in months, hope flickered in Alex's chest. He packed a small bag, he put on his shoes, and he began walking toward the mountains. The path was long, very long. His feet grew tired, his body ached, but he kept walking. He climbed steep green hills, he crossed crystal-clear streams, and he felt the wind on his face. And slowly, his mind began to quiet. Not completely, but there was less noise, less chaos. Finally, he saw it. A small cottage in the distance, covered in green vines and colorful flowers. He was here, finally. On the porch sat an elderly man, eyes closed, face completely peaceful. Alex had never seen a human being look so calm. "Grandfather," Alex called out softly. The old man opened his eyes and smiled. "I have been expecting you. Come, sit. You are suffering," the wise man said. It was not a question, it was a statement. "Yes," Alex admitted. "My mind never stops. Please, can you help me?" The wise man stood up slowly. "I can. But first, you must complete a task." He walked inside the cottage. A few moments later, he returned with something in his hands. It was a glass of water. But this was not just any glass of water. This glass was filled to the absolute brim. The surface of the water was touching the very edge of the glass. If Alex moved even a fraction, the water would spill. Walk to the far end of the village, then walk back. One rule. Not a single drop of water can spill. Not one. Alex took the glass carefully with both hands. One wrong move, one moment of carelessness, and it would all be over. "I understand," Alex said quietly, and he turned to walk toward the village path. Alex's first step was careful, very careful. The village path stretched ahead of him. Children playing, dogs barking, people talking, the noise and chaos of daily life. But Alex heard nothing, or rather, he chose to hear nothing. His entire universe was now just this glass and this water, one foot in front of the other. His breathing became measured, controlled, every single muscle focused on one thing, this present moment, this glass, this water. And then something miraculous started happening. As his mind became completely focused on this, on right now, his anxiety disappeared, his worries about the future gone, his regrets about the past forgotten. There was no yesterday. There was no tomorrow. There was only now. He reached the far end of the village. He held out the glass, still completely full. Not a single drop had spilled. He turned around and walked back. He arrived at the cottage. He held out the glass, still completely full. Not a single drop had spilled. The wise man smiled the biggest smile yet. "You did it," he said simply. "Tell me," the wise man said, "when you walked through the village, did you see the children playing?" "No," I said quietly. "Did you hear the dogs barking?" "No," I said quietly. "I saw nothing, I heard nothing. I was only focused on the glass, on this moment." The wise man's eyes grew very still, very knowing. "This, Alex, this is the secret. When your mind was completely in this present moment, your past could not hurt you. Your future could not frighten you, because you were not living in the past. You were not living in the future. You were living right here, right now. And in that presence, there was perfect peace. Peace is not somewhere far away. Peace is already inside you, Alex. It has always been inside you. All you must do is keep your mind in this moment, this now, and you will find that peace was never lost. It was only waiting for you to come home to yourself." The sun was setting. The sky turned shades of orange, crimson, and gold. But Alex was different now. He no longer carried the weight of his past. He no longer carried the fear of his future. He had learned the deepest truth. Peace does not come from having more. Peace comes from being here, now. And for the first time in a very long time, Alex smiled. A real smile. A smile that came from deep within. And now, I am asking you, are you like Alex? Are you trapped between yesterday and tomorrow? Are thousands of thoughts keeping you imprisoned in your own mind? Then today, right now, try this. Stop. Choose one thing, just one. Put your entire mind into this present moment. Do not think about what could go wrong. Do not replay what went wrong. Just be here, right now, because your peace is not lost. It is right here, inside you, waiting. All you must do is come home to this moment. And when you do, you will find that the peace you have been searching for was always right here, right now, in this breath, in this moment, in this now. Thank you for watching.